Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the series of Constitution of India, we are looking in detail about fundamental duties and its legal status. In the previous video, we saw the introductory section of this chapter, and in this session, we are going to look up into in detail about Article 51A of fundamental duties. Now, to remember in this video is that in Article 51A, there are 11 key points to remember. So it shall be duty of every citizen of India to first point is to abide by constitution and respect its rules and institutions, the national flag and national anthem. There are 11 points to remember, and this should be for citizen of India. The second point is to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Third is to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Fourth is to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Fifth one is to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistics and regional or sectional diversities, to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women. Sixth point is to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Seventh is to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. Eighth is to develop the scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Ninth is to safeguard public property and to abjure violence. 10th is to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. 11th is to provide opportunities for education by the parent or guardian to his child or a ward between the age of 6 to 14 years as the case may be. So this was all about Article 51A. In the next video of this series, we'll be looking into legal status of fundamental duties. So stay tuned to our channel for more such content. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.